Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Tech Soldiers powered by D&D. So guys, in this video we are going to learn the braking technique, how to stop your skate. So without any delay, let's dig into the video. So guys, to learn the brake, you just follow my steps. So first, stand strictly and then turn your right leg towards back and then drag this side. So this shape you should maintain. This is the T shape. So T shape you should be maintained. And next you have to flow this free skate and drag the back leg. The similar thing you have to do. You have to practice like this. So let's again practice. So this is the thing you have to do while skating also. So now let's see how it will be applied. So while you skate, you just drag, skate, drag. It will be stopped. So see this. You just push and drag. It will be stopped. You just push and drag. So the same thing you do. You practice this well. The brake technique is the most important thing when you are ready to hit something or when you are in front of something. You just need to stop there, right? So you should be aware of the brake. So this is the stopping position. So you need to practice this very much. So this is the thing, and let's see how it will be stopped. So guys, this is for today. We have learned the braking techniques, right? So practice this and we'll meet in the next video with some more techniques and some more improvement. So till then, take care, bye bye, practice well and subscribe to Tech Soldiers.